21 Essential SAP Ariba Interview Questions and Answers. Basic Concepts. Question 1. What is SAP Ariba? Answer 1. SAP Ariba is a cloud-based procurement and supply chain platform that enables businesses to connect and collaborate with their trading partners for end-to-end procurement processes. It provides solutions for sourcing, procurement, supplier management, and contract management. Question 2. What are the different modules in SAP Ariba? Answer 2. The main modules include Ariba Network and Ariba Sourcing, Ariba Contracts, Ariba Procurement, Ariba Supplier Management, Ariba Spend Analysis, Ariba Invoice Management. Question 3. What is the Ariba Network? Answer 3. The Ariba Network is a digital marketplace that connects buyers and suppliers globally. It facilitates electronic transactions, document exchange, and collaboration between trading partners. It's the world's largest B2B network with millions of trading partners. Technical knowledge. Question 4. What are the different types of integration methods in SAP Ariba? Answer 4. The main integration methods are cXML, Commerce Extensible Markup Language, EDI, Electronic Data Interchange, API integration, file-based integration, SAP ERP integration, via SAP PI/PO. Question 5. Explain the procure-to-pay cycle in Ariba. Answer 5. The procure-to-pay cycle includes creation of purchase requisition, approval workflow, purchase order generation, order confirmation, goods receipt, invoice reconciliation, payment processing. Question 6. What is cXML and why is it important in Ariba? Answer 6. cXML, Commerce Extensible Markup Language, is a protocol for communicating business documents between procurement applications, e-commerce hubs, and suppliers. It's crucial for purchase order transmission, invoice exchange, catalog content exchange, real-time integration between systems, implementation and configuration. Question 7. What are the key steps in implementing SAP Ariba? Answer 7. The implementation process typically includes project preparation and planning, business process analysis, configuration and customization, integration setup, testing, user training, go-live, and support. Question 8. Explain Ariba approval workflows. Answer 8. Approval workflows in Ariba can be configured based on amount thresholds, cost centers, commodity codes, geographic locations, department hierarchies, custom rules and conditions. Question 9. What are the different types of catalogs in Ariba? Answer 9. Hosted catalogs maintained on Ariba. Punch-out catalogs maintained on supplier's website. Form-based catalogs for non-catalog items. Spot-buy catalogs. Advanced concepts. Question 10. How does Ariba handle supplier onboarding? Answer 10. Supplier onboarding involves initial invitation, registration process, profile completion, document submission, qualification and approval, trading relationship establishment. Question 11. What are Ariba's reporting capabilities? Answer 11. Ariba offers standard reports, custom report creation, dashboard analytics, spend visibility reports, supplier performance metrics, operational KPIs. Question 12. Explain contract management in Ariba. Answer 12. Contract management features include contract authoring, template management, clause library, electronic signatures, contract workflow, compliance tracking, renewal management, best practices and troubleshooting. Question 13. What are common challenges in Ariba implementation? Answer 13. Common challenges include user adoption resistance, complex integration requirements, data migration issues, supplier enablement, change management, configuration complexity. Question 14. How do you ensure successful user adoption? Answer 14. Success strategies include comprehensive training programs, clear communication plans, user-friendly configurations, support documentation, change management initiatives, regular feedback collection. Question 15. What are best practices for supplier enablement? Answer 15. Key practices include clear onboarding documentation, supplier training programs, phased rollout approach, regular communication, technical support availability, performance monitoring, industry knowledge. Question 16. What are the latest trends in SAP Ariba? Answer 16. Current trends include AI and machine learning integration, predictive analytics, sustainable procurement, mobile accessibility, blockchain integration, intelligent automation. Question 17. How does Ariba compare to its competitors? Answer 17. Ariba's strengths include largest B2B network, SAP integration capabilities, comprehensive solution suite, strong market presence, regular innovation updates, global support network. Question 18. What is guided buying in Ariba? Answer 18. Guided buying is a feature that simplifies purchasing processes, provides intuitive user interface, enforces procurement policies, guides users to preferred suppliers, reduces maverick spending, project experience. Question 19. How do you handle system performance issues? Answer 19. Resolution approach includes performance monitoring, load testing, configuration optimization, cache management, database maintenance, regular system health checks. Question 20. Explain your experience with Ariba integration projects. Answer 20. Key aspects to discuss. Integration methods used, challenges faced, solution architecture, testing approaches, success metrics, lessons learned. Question 21. What are critical success factors for Ariba projects? Answer 21. Success factors include strong executive sponsorship, clear project scope, skilled project team, effective change management, robust testing strategy, user training and support, supplier engagement. Hope these help. Subscribe to our channel, and if there's anything else you want to dive into, then post your question and comment.